Good afternoon, students. So today we'll be learning about Roman numbers. Okay. So today we'll be learning about Roman numerals. So you might have seen the clocks. So in clocks, you might have seen these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, so etc. So all these type of numbers, they are called as Roman numerals or Roman numbers. Okay, so let us discuss more about these numbers in today's class. So you should know which letters we are using for which numbers. So then only you can easily write the Roman numerals. Okay, so let us learn what are the letters, what they are using for representing the numbers. Okay, so let us make the different two tabular columns here. So one for our normal numbers, that is Indo-Arabic numbers, and one for Roman numerals. Okay, so first take 1. So for 1, as you know, we'll be using I, and next for 5 we are using letter V. Next for 10 we are using letter X. Next for 50 we are using letter VL, and next for 100 we are using letter C, and for 500 we are using letter D, and at last one number is left out, that is 1000. For 1000 we are using letter M. So for your class in your textbook we are using only up to 20 only, but we'll learn up to 50. Okay, so and these letters you have to remember. Up to 50 you can learn it. Okay, up to 50 you have to write, learn the numbers, and after that these special letters what they represent, that you have to remember. So it is very easy. We know 1 we are using I for representing that 1, and for 5 we are using V, for 10 we are using X, and next here you can see LCD, 50, 100, 500. Easily you can remember LCD. LCD means 50, C means 100, D means 500. Next M. M for 1000 we are using M. Now let's start how to write the Roman numerals by taking one numbers. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so as you know, for 1 we are using letter I, and for 2 we have to use 2I, and for 3 we have to use letter 3I, and for 4, can I write 4I here? No. We cannot use any letter 4 times in Roman numerals. Continuously we cannot use 4 letters. Okay, so then how to write 4? We have 5. From this 5 we have to subtract 1. We have to take out 1 from this 5. So then it is going to become 4. So 5 is there. We from here I am taking 1. So IV will become 4. Next 5 we are using V, and for 6. So if you are writing before that number, it will be reduced, or it will be subtracted, and if you write after that number, it will get added. So what will happen? VI, it will become 6. 5 plus 1, so it will become 6, and for 7 it will be VII. Same way for 8 it will be VIII. Now for 9, can I write VIII for I? Can I write 4 times? No. As I told you before, I cannot use any numbers or any letters continuously 4 times. Then what I should do? You have 10. From this 10 we have to take out 1. Then it is going to become 9. So X is 10. From there I am taking out 1. So Ix will become 9. Next for 10 we have to use letter X. So same way all of you write it for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it is very easy. So we know for 10 we have used x. Then how to write 11? So 11, if you are saying 11, so 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, it will become 11. So now for 10 we are using letter x, and for 1 we are using letter I. So xi will become 11. Same way you can write it here up to 19. And 19 means, if you see here 19, what will happen? It will be 10 plus 9, it will become 19. So for 10 we are using letter x, and for 9 already we have used here 9. How to write? Ix. So Ix will become 9. So 19 means 10 plus 9. This is 10 and this is 9. Ix is 9. So same way you can write it here 12x I, and 13 means 10 plus 3, that is 10x I, and 14 means 10 plus 4. This is 10 and 4 means IV. So same way you can write it for up to 20, and next easily you can write up to 20. So 20, how to write this 20? X, it will become 20. And after that 21, how to write? 20 plus 1, that is XXI. And 22, how to write it? XXII. And 23, how to write it? XXIII. Same way you can write up to 50. So I will give some letters, or I will write the numbers for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So using that, easily you can complete up to 50. Okay, so let's take the numbers how to represent 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 in Roman numerals. So because if you know that, easily you can write numbers up to 50. So for 10, already I told we have to use x. Okay, and for 20, how to write it? It will be xx. And for 30, we have to use xxx, 3 times x. And for 40, look at here, 40, can I write xxx 4 times? No, as I told you earlier, 4 times continuously I cannot write the numbers. So then what I should do? 50 is there. From this 50, I have to subtract 10. So this is your L, 50. From 50, I have to subtract 10. So it is going to become 40. XL, it will be 40, and 50, it will be L. So learn up to 50 and write the Roman numerals up to 50. So thank you all.